The dream on YouTube, can I start therapy and get my background checked before I start filing VAWA, even with an attorney?
Yes, of course.
Chapdem on YouTube, my wife is a citizen. I have a 10-year green card. Does it make a difference who files for my 14-year-old?
Yes, the wife filing for your 14-year-old will be a lot faster.
Shanice Lewis on YouTube, is a bank statement required when going to a consulate? Also, what are some of the questions they normally ask?
Depends what you're going for the consulate for. I need to know more information.
Darsh on YouTube, my U visa was approved recently. Is there any possibility I can apply for a green card before the 3-year waiting period? How safe is it to travel if I want to go to my country?
You need to wait the 3 years. You need an advance parole document to travel.
O'Dane Thompson on YouTube, what kind of question does immigration ask when you go for an interview in Jamaica?
What is the interview for?
CE User on YouTube, if the petitioner runs out of business after the I-140 is approved, how long can the beneficiary keep the PD active to change to a different employer? Is there a time limit or an expiration?
Well, if you have the I-140 approved, you can change employers if you also have an adjustment filed for more than 180 days, and then they went bankrupt. If this was before, then we were out of SOL, we got to start again.
Another from CE User on YouTube, if a family petition of a brother is now current, but the beneficiary does not want to proceed at this time, but at a later time may decide to apply for it, does it expire? Can you still change your mind?
Well, you can kind of delay it to a point, but at some point they're gonna terminate the petition if you don't move forward on it.
Don Harriet on Facebook, if someone who overstayed their visa for a year is in the US undocumented, can her children get a visiting visa to come visit?
They could always apply, but it is extraordinarily unlikely that if the U.S. Embassy knows that the mother has overstayed her visa for more than a year, that they would give the children a visa to come visit the overstayed mother.
Potang on YouTube, my girlfriend is 2 months pregnant and a victim of female genital mutilation type 2. Is there any way she can get a visa to the U.S. and possibly seek asylum to escape the cruel act?
There's no visa for asylum. She can apply as a refugee, and if she's accepted, she can try to get a visa to come to the United States and apply when she enters the U.S. She can try to get a visa to go to Canada and come to the border and apply for amnesty at the border between Canada and the U.S., but they're going to say, why don't you apply for amnesty in Canada first? You can try to do it in Mexico, but right now, because of Title 42, they're not allowing people to do it.
Lives on Facebook, how can I give a relative permission to take my 12-year-old to an immigrant visa interview at the embassy? I'm the only parent and can't make it.
You give a letter.
Excuse me. Jean Thomas Webb on Facebook, my grandson has a pending interview at a US Consulate abroad. His parents are in the US and will not be able to attend. Do I need authorization letters to take him to the interview?
How old is this child?
Just says it's the grandson, does not say how old.
Yeah, get an authorization letter.
Candace Walker on Facebook, I want to know what's the implication or implications if someone gets a divorce while on the conditional green card extension over 16 months due to circumstances, but wants to be enlisted in the U.S. Army.
Go enlist in the U.S. Army. If you get divorced, you have to convert your case to a waiver of the joint requirement and just prove that you and your spouse lived together in a bona fide marriage up to the time of the divorce. Things didn't work out, and you're now divorced.
Okay, Abdi Ali on YouTube. I'm a U.S. citizen. I'm going to fill out the I-130, but my brother's middle name is misspelled. Does it matter?
Probably not.
And last one, Artie on Facebook. Me and my husband have been in New York for the last 6 years. I applied for asylum almost 6 years ago. Someone helped me to apply. I don't have a lawyer. I haven't got any immigration interview yet, and my 2 daughters are in my country with their grandparents. But now they're not able to take care of them. What should I do? I'm waiting for an interview. It will take more years, I think.
Your interview is going to take forever, but if you have a good asylum case, we threaten a mandamus and you'll get an interview in weeks and get approved, and then we'll try to get your children over here as following to join. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.